Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to learn how you can build a package with the help of Typer. So basically what we would like to do is to create a folder called Typer package. And here what we would like to do first is to install Poetry. So Poetry is a complex tool, and it basically allows you to create packages and allows you to install stuff inside your inside your virtual environments. So let's create a package. So Poetry new Typer package, and if we issue there, we have the Typer package here. And what we would like to do is to navigate inside the Typer package and Poetry add Typer all, and it is going to create a virtual environment for us and install the dependencies. And after the Poetry is installed, what we can do is to basically enter the Poetry shell, and this is what we are going to do. So Poetry shell. Now what happens is that if we open up this folder with the code text editor, you will see that we have the Typer package, the Poetry log, the TOML, and the readme.rst. And yeah, so we will have the stuff there. Now what we should do is, under the Typer package, we create a new file called main.py, and here we would like to import Typer. Hold on, and create the app typer.typer, and the app.callback is going to be a callback function, and we will pass it, and we will have an app.command and shoot, and typer.echo bfg is unavailable, and we will have an app.command load, and we would like to use a typer.echo to say that bfg is reloaded. Well, by the way, these are Doom references. So now what we can do is to modify the readme. So the readme is going to be something that you can provide with your package. So welcome, this is a Typer package, check out the official documentation, and we will create a link. So here, and I would like to copy the URL. So now the readme was edited, and we can use the TOML file to define properties of our package. And basically what it tells you is that this is the Typer package, versioning, description. So this is for my YouTube video, and this is the name, email address, the Python version, and what we can do is to use the following. So tool.poetry.scripts, and we will use the typer package equals typer package.app. And what we can do now is to go ahead and use this package. So we have an app in the main file, and if we want, we could import this app from another file like this. So typer package import app, and this is how we could reuse it. Now what we can do is to save this, and this is how you can create a package with the help of Typer. And that was all I wanted to show you in this video. See you in the